This is a quick install and sound video on a 2025 Honda Grom I just picked up. And first thing I noticed is shifting. You kind of shift by sound, and the stock exhaust is pretty quiet to the point where you cannot really hear anything. And I know they're not supposed to be super loud out of the box, but 72 hours in, and I ordered the Vance and Hines slip-on exhaust. I think it's like an Upsweep. It was like $370 on eBay. But yeah, it looks like a pretty simple thing. They have this that is installation guide. This definitely is not huge, but I just like the black because obviously not being the performance full exhaust, I don't want it to be overly loud. But it kind of matches the first section of the pipe from the factory. So do a little sound testy on start, and you can hear this thing is pretty quiet. If I can do this with one hand. Pretty quiet. All right, well, we will try the install. All right, so looking at the instructions, it doesn't come with anything printed. It's all PDFs. You scan the code and take a look. It's super easy. All you do, there's tiny little 12mm screw that basically connects the muffler to the head pipe. Another 12mm for the hanger. Basically take these off. And once this is loosened, it just slips right off. This one does come with its own hardware, basically a clamp that secures this to the head pipe, and this basically just pops right in there. Tighten this one up, and then you'll clamp it on. I will do that now. All right, and an hour later, a little quick FYI. Here's the new clamp that comes on the new exhaust. Don't over tighten this screw or it will shear off. I'm not really used to little bikes like this, so yeah, one little half click too much and it will just snap this screw right off. So after about an hour and a trip to Home Depot and some choice swear words, I was able to find a replacement screw for this. So we'll try it again. All right, so this little guy's on there. This one's easy. This is an Allen wrench. These are the provided hardware for the hanger with the new exhaust, and now we will try it finally. Ooh, much better. Much better. Okay. one more little sound clip it. This thing is pretty loud, but it sounds really nice.